Have you ever played on a seesaw and noticed that a smaller kid can lift a bigger kid if they sit farther from the center? Or use scissors to cut through thick cardboard like it was paper? That's not magic. That's a Class 1 lever in action. Today we're diving deep into the most versatile lever class, the one where the fulcrum sits in the middle like the balance point. Class 1 levers are everywhere once you know what to look for. The fulcrum is always in the center. The effort goes on one side, the load sits on the other. When you push down on your side, the load rises on the other side. It's like a balance scale that you control. Think about a crowbar prying open a heavy crate. The curved end wedges under the box. That's near the fulcrum. You push down on the long handle. That's your effort. The load sits between them. With the fulcrum close to the load and your effort arm much longer, you multiply your force massively. If your effort arm is 5 times longer than the load arm, your mechanical advantage is 5. You push with 10 newtons. The load feels 50 newtons of lifting power. Scissors are double Class 1 levers. The pivot screw is the fulcrum in the middle. Your fingers apply effort on the handle rings. The blades carry the load at the tips. When you squeeze, the long handles give you mechanical advantage to multiply your cutting force at the blades. Pliers work the same way. The fulcrum is at the hinge. Your hand provides effort at the long handles. The load grips at the short jaws. The longer your handles compared to the jaws, the stronger your grip becomes. But here's the strategic insight. With Class 1 levers, you can change the mechanical advantage just by moving the fulcrum. Move it closer to the load and your effort arm gets longer. Your advantage increases. Move it closer to your effort and the load arm gets longer. Now you sacrifice force but gain distance or speed. A seesaw demonstrates this perfectly. Sit close to the center and you need more force to lift. Sit at the very end and even a small push creates huge leverage. Class 1 levers are the only lever class that can give you mechanical advantage greater than 1, exactly 1, or even less than 1, depending on fulcrum placement. They can multiply force or multiply speed. They can change direction of force. That versatility makes them the engineer's favorite tool and the mechanic's best friend. In our next video, we meet Class 2 levers, the load movers, the wheelbarrows, and bottle openers that always give you mechanical advantage greater than 1. Can you guess why Class 2 levers can never give you speed advantage? Drop your answer below. I am Mr. G. Keep finding the fulcrum, and I will see you in the next lesson.